Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this tutorial, we will be learning how to find player ID in AFK Arena. To find a player ID in AFK Arena, first of all, open up the AFK Arena application on your device, and once the game loads, tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. Right above your profile picture, you should be able to see an ID with a unique number assigned to your account. You can simply go ahead and take a note of your ID, and you can now share your player ID with friends, guild members, or support if needed for account-related queries. And that's it. You have successfully found your player ID in AFK Arena. It's easy to access and share whenever you need it for guild invites or support queries. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AFK Arena tips and gaming guides. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.